Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature on Instagram that allows you to manage who can join your group chats. This is particularly handy if you want to keep your conversations private and only allow approved members to participate. Let's get started with the steps to enable join approval for your Instagram group. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, look for the messages icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon resembles a paper airplane and will take you to your direct messages. Once you're in the messages section, find the group you want to set up approval for. You can scroll through your chats or use the search function to locate it quickly. After you've selected your group, click on the name of the group at the top of the chat window. This will bring up a menu with various options related to the group. Now, look for the option labeled People. Click on it to see all members of the group and additional settings. Here comes the crucial step. Enable Require Approval to join. You'll see a toggle switch next to this option. Simply click on it to turn it on. This means that anyone who wants to join your group will now need approval from an admin before they can participate in discussions. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Join Approval for your Instagram group chat. This feature not only helps maintain privacy, but also ensures that only people you trust can be part of your conversations. Remember, as an admin, you have control over who joins, so feel free to manage requests as they come in. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively.